Hi guys, today I'm going to share how we can create dynamic pages using Wix portal. So first you will have to go to the edit site feature. Through the quick access you can go to edit site. Once the editor has been loaded it will look like this, and you can either create a collection under CMS and then create a dynamic page linking to that collection. So here as you can see you can create a collection. Else, you can directly go to the dynamic pages over here, and under the dynamic pages section, if you have already created, you will see all your dynamic pages. Else, you have a add dynamic page section where you can link to an already created collection. So if I click on this, you will have a page where you have a drop down of choosing a collection. So as you can see, you can choose a collection and then link that to one of the dynamic pages. But for this demo, I will create a new dynamic page with a new collection. For that, you can go to add a preset, or you can either directly create your own preset. So I'm going to select from one of the presets over here. So I am planning to upload images to the site. So I'm going to click on this preset. So two pages would be created. It will take a while, but it will create collection and two pages which are dynamic linking to the collection. So it has named the collection as portfolio as you saw here, and it's citing the adding the dynamic item page currently. And if you see here, there are two pages that need to be added. So once the dynamic page has been loaded, it would look like this. It will load the page and you will have two links over here. One is showing the entire list and the other one is the details of the image or the title. So if I click on the settings of this link, it will have four tabs showing the page info, but we are interested in the SEO basics because it is going to show me the URL of that page. So this tells me that if I go to the web browser and use the URL of your website name and portfolio, it is going to load me this page. And if I go to the title, it should show me what is the page URL. It should definitely start with portfolio and it should follow the title of the page. That is how this name has been created. So this title in black tells me that it is not the it's not the word title, but it is the content of the title in the CMS. So this is how your links are created to the dynamic page. Now if I go to the page itself, let me go to the list of the portfolio. If I go to this page, the one which you are seeing currently on the screen is the title page. This is how the title page is going to look like. But if I go to the list of this page, this is how it is going to look like. And it has been connected to the CMS through a data set. So that data set should be connected to the collection that it created, which is portfolio for us. So if I go to the settings, it is going to show me which collection, which is portfolio, and the dataset name. So maximum display is 20. You can either increase or decrease this, and there are other attributes that you can change. I'll create another video on how you can change the attributes. And if I go back to the other dynamic page, which is the title page, back to the title, if I click on this, here you can see there are drop downs of the title. That means it is showing the content of each row of that collection based on the title of the collection. So this is how the image is going to display on the page. If I go and click on this, these are the different titles that are available in the collection, and any title that you click on, the page is going to load that particular uh, row content or the item content. So if I go back to the collection and see how it appears, so there are two things that I have to do currently. Once I load the collection using the default template. I have 6 items in my sandbox. So the sandbox is the temporary collection data. So here you can see I can either open this item content and change accordingly, and I can change the image as well, replace it. I can change the name and other uh, editable content, but not the URL. This is how your URL will look like, which is portfolio and the title. This is for the entire collection. So I'm not going to make any changes since this is a demo, and I have to do one more thing. If you see here, the live collection does not have any data. It's only in the sandbox. So before I publish this, I will have to sync the content. So if I don't sync the content, I'll show you how the page would appear. So I'm going to publish this dynamic page. So once I publish, I'll have to go to the website name and the following dynamic page attribute, which is portfolio in my case. So it is published. So I'll go back to the web browser and I would say portfolio. So in that case, it is going to load me the entire page with the list, but nothing is displayed because my collection is not in sync with the live collection. For that, I'll have to go back to the editor and I will have to go to the CMS collection and I'll have to sync that. So I'll sync this content. It'll ask me if I want to sync all. I'll say yes. Once I sync to the live collection and go back to this page, it's going to display me the entire list with the images that have been uploaded through the preset. So if I click on any of this, it is going to pop up the title page. It should pop up the title page. If not, let me just click on this. So this is going to an intermediate page. So the title page is over here. So if I click on this, so as you can see, the wild spirit is the title name and portfolio is the suffix to that URL, and it has loaded me the title page. So this is how you create dynamic pages from presets. If you find some value in this video, please comment and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.